Pulit ke distrik kila Pynkhlain ke Jingpahara kylleng ki bynta jong ke distrik bat khamtam nongbah Shillong khnang ba ke Jingpynlong ya ke Lehkmen Puja kanong ke Iaid Beit ryntih Haba kren bat kila pathai Khubor USP ke East Khasi Hills ba Nongtnger iathuh ba ke tnad kala buru iki kendon quick response team nalor ki Bor Pahara kiban dan haman ki jaka mani blai.
So in Shillong city we have divided into 11 sector. And all this 11 sector will be supervised by the encastered officers, that is DYSP and additional SP. So in these 11 sectors, we have deployed at least 31 encastered officers, and we have deployed force at least 309. That is 3 company plus. Then apart of that, we have deployed SOD for quick action, and we have deployed 5 teams of QRT from CRPF. So in the past we have never been deployed QRT of CRPF, but this year we felt necessary. So this year, as we say, the deployment and preparation will be more than like of the previous years. So we are and in every puja pandal has been deployed to guard the puja pandal, and meeting has been done with the CPC. Then all the sector officers, as I say, 11 sector, they have held a meeting with the puja in charge and so on to ensure that the puja should go on peaceful and smooth in the East Khasi, especially in the Shillong city.
So what will be the role of QRTF of the CRPF?
QRTF, a quick reaction team for any emergency. So in all the puja panels, we have deployed the mobile number of the sector officers, the mobile number of the OC and IC, and also the number of the emergency, that is 112. So anything, if anything happen, anything untoward or quite, the people can call it.